long period of time, agriculture in China had maintained the primitive farming methods until tractors replaced iron plows and cattle, leading to a qualitative leap in productivity. Then agriculture in China entered the mechanized farming era for more than 6 decades. Since its founding in 1955, the development of YTO Group has driven forward the development of China agricultural mechanization. Nowadays, the tractors are widely used. Some have been used for decades, but still in good condition in the fields. They are popular for the applicability and durability. The clients regard them as their most loyal and reliable partners. As a provider of complete solutions for agricultural machinery, YTO has already to accelerate its pace in modern agricultural mechanization and intelligence, and to integrate into the trend of market globalization and competition internationalization, from manufacturing only crawler tractors to providing complete modern farming solutions, from making durable products to upgraded intelligent products, from domestic markets to international markets. The international influence of YTO continues to rise. And now, YTO has made breakthroughs in power shift, CVT tractors, and driverless tractors, etc. Here is the YTO LF2204 wheeled tractor in operation, employing 32-speed power shift and power shuttle technologies. LW4004 is the heavy-duty CVT wheeled tractor researched and developed by YTO independently. At continuous speed, it can achieve precise control, variable load control, constant PTO output speed, and the other functions. Under any operating conditions, the engine can operate most powerfully and most economically. The YTO harvesting machinery that it takes the lead in harvesting lodged crop in paddy and dry fields, in average feeding anti-clogging under electronic control, and in efficient threshing, cleaning, and sorting, etc. Can fully satisfy the harvesting of wheat, maize, rice, silage, and the other crops. In China's agricultural machinery industry, the electronic control systems of YTO engines have been prior developed with independent intellectual property rights. YTO engines with the features of multiple power curve design, low speed with high torque, low fuel consumption, fast acceleration, reliability, and stability, which can be upgraded to meet Euro 5 standard, is widely used in construction machinery, marine, gensets, pumps, etc. It covers 30 to 450 HP and always taken the lead in sales. YTO series tractors and harvesting machinery have been passed the Intelligent Administration System to achieve unmanned driving, precise and intelligent operation. Tractors work perfectly with the farming implements, suit for subsoiling, plowing, harrowing, rotary tilling, planting, crop protecting, and so on. In the future, YTO will further improve its intelligent level in autopilot, precise agriculture, farm machinery administration information service platform, and the other aspects, realizing the transition from the single agricultural machinery manufacturer to the agricultural machinery manufacturer plus service provider plus information service provider. In collaboration with the United States, the UK, Austria, and other international research institutions, YTO keeps pace with the world's advanced technologies. Prior to products launching, each series of YTO products will be strictly tested so as to ensure the stability and reliability in performance. The pilot test base has all kinds of performance tests and calibration laboratories. From the painting, various materials, to the life of parts and tractors will be strictly inspected and tested in order to ensure reliability, durability, environmental friendly, and security. To our surprise, a number of industrial organizations and institutions are situated in YTO, such as China National Key Projects Laboratory for powertrains of tractor, China Official Tractor Test and Evaluation Center, etc. Zero defect in quality and standard internationalization are rooted in the standardization and automation in processing and assembling of YTO core parts and components. Intelligent processing equipment and advanced automatic production lines secure the product's stability and reliability, and also promote the continuous upgrading of products and technologies. Intelligent manufacturing has become the key for YTO quality assurance, realizing customized, flexible production and satisfying the needs of different countries. YTO is beyond our imagination in internationalization. It has established distribution and agent offices in more than 100 countries. In France, Belarus, Cuba, and South Africa, etc. It has set up manufacture, research, and development bases. Its products are well distributed to Europe, America, Asia, Africa, Australia, as well as other countries and regions. China's Dongfang Hong, world's YTO. YTO Group, the global extraordinary farm machinery provider.